Are we gonna sleep under the stars tonight? Like real explorers?
Yes, Lily. Mark, did you pack the campfire wood?
Oh, you bet I did.
I have enough wood for a week. Haha.
Don't worry, Max. You are a mountain lion today. Adventure awaits. Are we there yet? Almost, kids. Almost.
Goodbye, city. Hello, forest. You sure this is the right way, hon?
Never been surer, my dear.
Look at the fresh air. Take a deep breath, everyone.
It smells like pine trees and adventure.
Step 1. The tent. This will be easy. Arg. Why does this always happen? Just get off me. Oh, this is hopeless. Meow. Where does pole A go? Is this pole A or pole Z? I am okay. I am just checking the floor.
Do you need help, Mr. Magician?
I was almost finished.
Seriously, Mark?
Give that back.
Keep it up, team. Not much further.
I love picking these flowers.
Are we there yet? North is that way, toward the big mountain. Oh, hello there. Look, Mom. I have a new friend. Shh.
Chirp. Nature is very sticky today.
Ribbit. Yikes. Ribbit. Nope.
Come on, Lily, you're almost there. Just a little further, sweetheart.
Ugh, this pack is getting heavy.
We're almost to the top.
Oh, wow!
Look at that.
It's amazing!
Let's get closer.
Ah, this is the life.
Peaceful, isn't it?
Splash, splash, splash.
Today, we eat giant fish for dinner.
Watch the master. Perfect cast.
Oh, no! Wait,
What?
what?
Where did my hat go? It's in the water, Mark.
You caught a hat, Dad.
Is it delicious? A hat? It's not delicious at all. Wait, did you just call it delicious?
All right, little one.
Back you go.
I think I'll stick to a hat I can actually keep on my head.
Chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp.
The fish are winning today, Mark.
Let's stick to sandwiches.
Time to start the fire, kids. Look at all these beautiful sticks. Hurry, Dad, it's getting dark. Big sticks for the fire, small sticks for the light. Yes, that's right, sweetheart.
Come on. Work! Magic fire! Work!
Ha! Easy.
What? No, it can't be.
I warmed the wood for you. That was my plan. Ah, that's better.
It's so pretty. I'm glad we came.
Now for the best part of camping.
It looks like a sweet cloud. Mmm.
I am the master of the marshmallow. Behold. Oh, no. Oh, I like mine. Extra crispy.
Time for s'mores.
Wow.
Thanks, honey. This is better than ice cream. Thank you, Mom.
Oh, look, you're purring. He likes it. I knew he would.
And suddenly he saw the red eyes in the dark room.
Dad, stop!
But he didn't run because he knew.
Meow. And then... Did you hear that?
What was that?
Dad, is that a bear? A giant forest monster?
I am the protector. Stay back, monster. All right. Just gotta get a better look. Ouch. Okay, there. What is that?
The monster is so cute.
I knew it was a bunny. I was just...
Testing my flashlight. Sure you were, Mark. You are very brave. Meow.
He's gone.
We'll see him again.
I hope so.
Look, there's the Big Dipper.
It's so beautiful.
Can I catch a star?
The stars are so bright. They look like diamonds. Oh!
That big one there is the North Star.
And that group of stars looks like a giant pizza.
No, Dad. It looks like a soccer ball. I love the forest. It's quiet and beautiful.
It's a perfect night.